blocking the... Yeah?
Alright, we got Hunter Jungie, the hometown boy, right from Lawrenceville on a 350. It's always nice to see the young kids out here pulling.
Come
They do a
on.
good job. I like
Come
to see them
on.
beat their fathers, that's always perfect.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Give a little bit more.
Ooh, 110 feet, 8.88. Right at
Woo!
2.5. Nice pull.